What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Milady meme coin, which has returned back guys. Another green candlestick. It has pumped up just under 30% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at this value here. And not just Milady meme coin, but majority of the cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin are back to where they were earlier last week, back to $67,000. So it has recovered pretty much quickly than I expected. So we're going to be going through what is next for Milady meme coin. Is the price correction over? Is it going to return back up in value from this point onwards? Is it likely to hit more green candlesticks? So is now the time to buy it before it breaks out? Is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction overall in 2024. How high and how low can the crypto go, and is there crypto worth investing into in 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's look at the daily chart. As you guys can see here at the top, we've got the purple line running across the chart, and Milady meme coin has once again pumped back up in value above its value here. Again, yesterday and the day before it was literally touching the SMA indicator. However, right now it has bounced back up, which is a great news. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we are looking quite skeptical. I understand why. The crypto has been literally up and down over the last week, green and red candles. So as you guys can see, the blue line is looking bearish and the orange line is looking bullish. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Milady meme coin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday to tomorrow afternoon, according to the graph, it should be hovering around its current price range. However, I'm expecting it to hit more green candlesticks, trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. At least pumping another 10 to 15% from where it is at the moment is what my expectations are at the moment. And again, do expect red candles in between as well, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days now we're looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. Both the blue and the orange line are looking quite bullish guys, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Milady meme coin over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially by mid next week, it should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, even though it is likely to hit red candles in between, take a little bit of a dip here and there in between. The overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side, so do expect an overall increase in value, and I'm expecting it to pump up about 20 to 25% from where it is at the moment to stay on the safe side. It may be higher than that, but again, I keep you guys updated on a daily basis on this crypto, on what to expect and what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, and simply to stay in the loop on predictions and updates that come across for the crypto. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line slanting towards the negative direction, looking quite bearish. Reason for that is the drop that's been taking place over the last week or so. The graph thinks is going to keep dropping down in value at a slow and steady pace. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late May 2024, I'm expecting the crypto to have pumped back up in value, trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment, is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So higher than where it was trading at its highest point here back in early March. I'm expecting it to go past that target and trade at a much higher value. So at least, well, let's not quote a percentage right now, because we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, which again I will keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So again, with all of that stuff going on, yeah, it is going to have a major impact on the crypto market. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we have bounced back up into the dark green zone here. When it was dropping down in value, I did say do expect it to drop down a little bit lower into the lower part of the green zone, and then it should essentially bounce back up back into the dark green zone, and that is exactly what's happened. And from this point onwards, I'm expecting it to head back into the blue zone over the coming weeks, potentially late March, early April, and back into the top tier level here in May is what my expectations are at the moment. But again, of course, as I said, the Bitcoin halving should have an impact on the crypto, potentially in a positive way, but there will be more updates on that. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has gone up over 8% in the last 24 hours, making it $31 million in trading, which is again not a major increase. However, due to the pump that's been taking place, I'm expecting the trading volume to go up even higher over the coming hours, as we are likely to see more and more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return should also have a positive impact on the value of the crypto. So however, even though yes, it is pumping, it's performing very well, overall over the last week it is still down a major 28% down, guys, which is not looking too great. Again, reason for the drop is because Bitcoin has also gone through quite of a drop last week and earlier this week, which has had a negative impact on majority of the cryptocurrencies. But again, zooming out a little bit more to the monthly chart, we are still up near about 300%, and again at its highest point here back on the 13th of March, which was exactly a week ago. But yeah, again, depending on which chart we are looking at, we are looking good and bad, but I'm expecting it to slowly recover over the coming weeks. So I've seen a lot of comments around Milady meme coin. Has this little drop in value changed your predictions? Comment down below. How many zeros is it likely to get rid of in 2024? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bullish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.